What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We're almost to 100 subscribers. I just want to say thank you. We're currently at 64. If you guys could hit that subscribe button, it would help me out a lot. And but yeah, let's get this video started. I'm here with the RSX and the homie Danny. I'm gonna do a quick video on 5 things that I like about the RSX and maybe a couple of things that I don't like. But yeah, let's get it started. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the interior. So one thing I like about my RSX is the seats. It's like a bucket seat. It it has these edges right here, and it like kind of hugs you, so like you don't really move around when you hit those sharp turns. So number 2 is gonna be the dashboard. I like it because it's like angled in a way, like the stereo and like the controls and everything is all angled to like the driver. It's focused on you, and like passenger, I mean, you don't really do anything. Your shotgun, you navigate and stuff. You hold the audio. You hold the audio. You know.
Bluetooth. You know, the good music. You're the DJ of the car.
So yeah, that's gonna be number 2. Is the dashboard. It's focused on the driver. It's angled more towards the driver. Now that I'm like listing the things that I like about my car, I don't know, I'm falling more in love with it. Like, I don't know. So this is gonna be number 3. So number 3 on the list is gonna be the taillights on this car. I don't know, I just like it. It's simple. It's just 2 dots. At night, I don't know, you can tell it's an RSX from far away. I don't know, I like the taillights. All right, so the 4th thing that I like about my car is the trunk space. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. I went to go buy wheels one time. All 4 wheels fit in the trunk, no problem at all. And yeah, that's gonna be number 4. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's freaking windy, and I don't have a mic on this yet. But, number 5 on the list is gonna be just, I don't know. I like that it's a 2-door. I don't know. It's pretty simple. I really like 2-door cars. It's just, I don't know. It's a 2-door. That's number 5.
I don't know.
All right, so that's gonna be the 5 things that I like. Now we're gonna move on to the things that I don't like about the RSX. So number 1, for like the 2 doors, you know, it's kind of like a love-hate kind of thing, because I mean, every time somebody has to go in the back, like say there's more than 2 people, you gotta put the seat up so they can go inside, and that can get annoying sometimes. So yeah, that's gonna be number 1. All right, so number 2 on the list that I do not like about my RSX is that it does not have an armrest. It's so annoying. I don't know, it'd just be nice to have an armrest, you know, to rest your arm after shifting those hard gears. It gets tiring, you know? It gets tiring. So like, yeah, that's gonna be number 2. I don't have an armrest in this car.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Don't be it.
I don't know, I really like my car. I can't really think of anything else that I do not like about it. Like, I don't know, listing the 5 things that I do like about this car made me love my car even more than I already do. Like, I don't know, made me appreciate it more, you know?
Fucking smack the fuck out of me, bro.
There you go, man.
I got it, man.
Got it.
Oh, that shit hurt.
Alrighty, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. It's just a short clip. Sorry I don't have any new parts to install. I've been running low on money, but new videos coming soon for sure. If you get, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 100 subscribers. We're currently at 64. That's crazy. I don't know, 64 may not be that much, but like for like only my close friends to only know about my channel, like I only have probably like 6 close friends, you know. Like, other than that, like, it's just you guys, you know. Like, I appreciate you guys. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys could please leave a like, comment, and to make sure to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.